Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting tutorial for you on how to read data from a delimited file using Talend Open Studio. So let's dive right in. Let's move on to the first step. Open your Talend Open Studio. If you have not installed it yet, make sure to grab the latest version from the official website. Once you are in, head over to the repository section. In the repository section, expand job design and choose any folder. For this demo, I am selecting my folder. Now right click on my folder and click on create job. A pop-up will appear. In the name field, give your job a name. I am calling mine read data from file. Once done, click on the finish button. Yes, you have just created a job named read data from file. And the next step is adding the tfile input delimited component. In the designer window, type tfile input delimited or head over to the palette section on the right side of the Talend Open Studio URL. In the Find Component section, type tfile input delimited and hit enter. Drag and drop the tfile input delimited component into the designer window. Now double click on the component or choose the component section below the designer window. And the next step is configuring tfile input delimited component. In the basic settings, choose the file directory by clicking the three dot icon in the file name or stream section. I am selecting an employee information file on my PC. Set the field separator as a comma and the header as 1. Next, click on the edit schema option. A pop-up will appear. Add columns by clicking the plus icon. For this demo, I am creating 4 columns: employee ID, employee name, role and salary. Choose the salary column type as integer and then click OK. And the next step is adding tlogRow component. Back in the designer window, type tlogRow and a component called tlogRow will appear. Right click on the tfile input delimited component and choose row main connection to the tlogRow component. Double click on the tlogRow component. In the basic settings, click on the sync columns option and choose table as the mode. Coming to the last step, now let's run the job. Click on the run section and then hit the run button. Your job will execute and you can see the output on the Talend console. And there you have it. You have successfully read data from a delimited file using Talend Open Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. We will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next tutorial.